highbrow couple to start breakfast, digging into Fruit Loops, perhaps. So, kanina ko pa to sinosolve, pero hindi ko talaga alam kung paano atakihin itong cryptic puzzle. So, let's try to use hint game. Okay, so highbrow ang definition. So, ito yung kanina ko pang iniisip. Kukunin ko yung 2 letters from the start of every word. So, BR, DI, FR. So, sobra. I don't have time. Indicators. So, digging into is containing. Okay, so, ganun pa rin. FR. So, correct yung loop. Containing ang digging into. Ano ba yung highbrow? Parang intellectual? Tama ba? Shit. Isa pa. Saan galing si C? So, meron talagang substitution. May substitution. Fruit Loops. Ano ba yung Fruit Loops? Wala. No idea talaga. Ano ba ang Fruit Loops? Hindi ko alam Fruit Loops eh. Candy ba yun? Para bang candy ang Fruit Loops? I think magkatabi yung BR. Okay, isi-search ko ano yung Fruit Loops para madali. Cereal. Cereal ang Fruit Loops. So, cereal. Cerebral. Matalino kasi ang highbrow matalino. Ganun. Okay, check. Pangit. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung Fruit Loops eh. Bye.